Hi guys! Oh, I forgot to get my glasses. Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make an envelope for this beauty. Today I'm going to show you how to make an envelope for this beauty here. This is my Twisted Gatefold interlocking heart card, and we're going to make this envelope that fits perfectly. This card measures 5.5 by 6, so it's a fairly large card. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Let's make it. I'm using my Wear Memory Keepers envelope punch board. I am looking for a 5.5 by 6 card size. It's telling me that I'll need a 9.25 by 9.25 piece of paper, which I have. And we're lining up the first score line at 4 3/8. That's our first score line. We're going to measure it like this. Punch and score. Turn. Line up your score line right here. It's coming up to 4 3/4 up here. Punch and score. Turn and do the same thing. Fold and burnish in all your score lines. I'm going to take a moment to make a small cut on this paper so it'll be nice and flush. I'm using this paper cutter. That's perfect. I used double-sided tape to close all my envelopes. This is the Score Pile brand. This is my favorite brand for double-sided tape. I like to do something extra on my envelopes, so beautiful. And now you could simply slip your card in. It's going to fit perfectly. Thanks so much for joining me while we made a sweet envelope for our really huge Twisted Gatefold card. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.